Common cold is one of the most common illnesses, especially in children. It is a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract which can present as runny nose, nasal stuffiness, nasal congestion, recurrent sneezing, throat pain or cough. All of us have experienced common cold at least once in our life. Children are particularly susceptible to common cold because of their immature immune system. They suffer not only more frequently, they also suffer more severely than we do. Being a very uncomfortable ailment, it can keep you and your child up all night. Today we're going to talk about how to comfort your child during cold. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Dr. Kavya from Dr.Kayforkids. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for child health, nutrition and parenting. So consider subscribing if you like content like this. Your child requires plenty of rest as it can conserve energy and also help their body heal. Make sure your little one is getting enough rest. If they insist on playing, find activities that they can do while lying down. Like maybe reading a book, you could tell them a story or play board games. Children are at risk of dehydration, especially when they are sick. So make sure you give them plenty of fluids. This can be water, or you can also give them coconut water, which is a great source of nutrients, water and electrolytes. Being sweet, it is also much more acceptable by children. During cold, there are a lot of secretions as a result of infection and inflammation of the nasal mucosa. And children feel extremely uncomfortable when their nose is blocked. This usually gives rise to excessive crying and sleeplessness. In a hospital setting, we usually use a suction apparatus to clear the airway off of any excess mucus to comfort the child. At home, this can be done with the help of nasal aspirators. There are two types of nasal aspirators, the ones that come with a bulb. Pressing the bulb creates a suction pressure, and there are the ones which come wherein the mother creates the suction pressure by sucking through the mouth. I usually advise the ones where the mother creates the pressure manually, which gives you a little more control and it is much more hygienic. They usually have filters that block the mucus from being completely sucked up. I'm going to link down in the description below the ones that I have used and I recommend to my patients. Air can dry out the mucosa and therefore cause thickening of the secretions. Humidifiers throw a cool mist and increase the moisture content in the air. This prevents the mucus from becoming thick and blocking the nose. It also makes it much more comfortable for the baby to breathe. Never use steam for the same purpose, as hot air can do the exact opposite and dry out the mucous membranes. Also, it can be extremely dangerous to have steam around a child with the risk of causing burns. Nasal saline drops also keep the mucus moist and help ease the nasal congestion. These are available as over-the-counter medications. They do not contain any medications and they only contain saline drops. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, definitely subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.